hoverbike is the result of years of research and development. We combined the freedom of a helicopter with the simplicity of a motorcycle to create the world's first hoverbike. Developing a hoverbike is expensive and challenging, and we need your support to make this a reality. The hoverbike flies like a helicopter, however it is rugged and easy to use. It represents a whole new way to fly.
We created a 1/3 scale hoverbike drone to test a new quad aerodynamic concept.
Our drone will allow you to see and feel just how it will be to fly the full-scale hoverbike, and will help with raising the funds needed to bring the hoverbike to market.
We have moved to a proven quadcopter design, and this is what our second generation hoverbike looks like. Drones should be friendly and approachable. Our drone has ducts around the propellers that protect bystanders from the blade tips and allows us to safely operate near the vehicle. We designed a large payload bay that can be easily adapted for different uses, a real multi-purpose tool. We felt it important to keep drones fun, safe and accessible to as many people as possible.
Unlike other multicopters, ours packs down to 1/3 of its size and be easily transported in our custom multi-use bag.
We don't think the world has seen yet just how useful drones of all shapes and sizes can actually be. The ducts come embedded with LED lights for brilliant nighttime flying. We and our large community of supporters around the world are really passionate about the idea of cheap, safe, airborne transportation.
With your help to back this project, we can continue to develop the world's first flying motorbike. With your help, we can take another small step in the evolution of flight.
Opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
After 2 years of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce the Spry, a waterproof drone that floats like a boat, can briefly submerge underwater, then flip back to fly in the air at over 40 miles per hour. It's a combination of a racing quad and a photography drone with a robust waterproof body. And yes, the first ever waterproof remote control. The waterproof remote control has a built-in monitor that allows you to watch the live video stream and on-screen display information. The Spry can also send its video signal to several monitors simultaneously, so you can share your flying experience with your friends on the spot. The Spry's 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. This allows you to see what's underwater. Another cool feature is the expansion port that allows future accessories to be attached on the bottom and enhance the Spry's capabilities. You can turn the GPS on and off from the remote control to fly freestyle, or activate its advanced flight features like Follow Me, Object Orbit, and Return to Remote Control Location, so that if you're on a moving boat, the Spry will always come to where you are. If you're more into robotic flying, you can use the Spry's app to set up waypoints on the map and fly a designated path completely hands-free. The Spry is compact and comes with everything you need to fly the moment you get it. The carrying case, battery, remote, and charger.
We're also doing something that we don't think has ever been done before. We're releasing a series of videos bringing you inside of the factories that make some of the components for the Spry, and also show you the working conditions of these factories, and also learn how LiPo batteries are made, propellers are made, and how the whole manufacturing process works.
We've spent years in the design stage to push the limits and redefine the capabilities of drones in general. The only thing that's missing to make the Spry a reality at an affordable price is you. By supporting this project, you will be the first one to get your hands on the very first Spry. Check out the different reward levels and help the project go viral by sharing it with all your friends.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
My name is Laurent Schnauer. I'm co-founder of Fly. I'm really passionate about new technologies and I naturally fell in love with drones when I first met them a few years ago. I'm convinced that in the future we'll have flying robots around us helping us in our daily lives. But before that we must overcome a few challenges, in particular with respect to safety and usability. So what we did at Fly is to go back to the drawing board and invent the flying robot of the future. It had to be safe, robust and with a great user experience. We've been hacking around in my attic for about a year, building prototypes out of balsa wood and DIY electronics. And after many trials, Fly eventually stayed in the air and proved to us that it was all possible. So based on this, we managed to convince Pierre Loest, who is a famous Belgian entrepreneur, but also a talented drone pilot. He became really enthusiastic about the project and decided to invest.
Quand j'ai vu pour la première fois Fly, j'ai tout de suite compris que ce n'était pas un drone, c'est autre chose. C'est comme un dessin de Da Vinci ou de Spielberg qui prend réalité devant vous. Prenez Fly en main et vous comprendrez pourquoi j'ai décidé d'investir dans ce projet.
What makes Flying Design so innovative? It's made of a single shielded propeller and 4 control vanes for stability. It has the same size and weight of a soccer ball, it's packed with sensor, a powerful onboard computer, a HD camera and a Wi-Fi connection. We wanted Fly to be smart and autonomous, so you don't have to be always piloting it. You can select a simple mission through the mobile app and just enjoy the live streaming. Fly is a lot of fun to play and interact with, but it's more than a toy. It's really a platform on which you invent the future of flying robots. We have 2 APIs and an SDK which enable developers to create applications for controlling Fly remotely or run on the onboard computer. It runs Linux and supports the popular computer vision library OpenCV. You can make Fly autonomously detect and react to what it sees, like tracking someone or something in a room.
Fly is really amazing because it's in the air, but it doesn't seem mechanical. When I saw the Fly the first time flying, I was really impressed about the simplicity of the construction. It's so amazing simple, and if it comes too close, you can just push it away and it moves again and you don't hurt your fingers or anything else.
We now have a complete functional prototype of Fly and we are ready to enter the production stage. So when you support us on Kickstarter, you are showing us that you share our vision and our enthusiasm. So we invite you to join the flight crew, make a pledge, and let's build the future of flying robots together.
What if there was an aerial camera platform that really could capture your world from any perspective? Something completely different from anything you've seen before. An aerial platform that was portable, unbelievably rugged, powerful, and simple to use. One that you could take with you anywhere without a lot of hassle. Introducing Sprite. the world's most portable and rugged unmanned aerial vehicle. Whether you're an active outdoor enthusiast or a serious professional who just needs to get the job done, Sprite is as portable, rugged, and hardworking as you are. The motors and electronics are all sealed tightly into the airframe, keeping them safe from dust, dirt, and water, whether that's happening in the backyard or the backcountry. It even floats. But it's also really easy to use. With Sprite's powerful autopilot, you can create three-dimensional GPS flight paths. You can change speed, hold a position, fly circles, a survey pattern, even scan structures or regions of interest, all while keeping the camera pointed right where you want it. Sprite can even follow you to capture that ultimate perspective. Or if you like, you can fly Sprite with an optional remote control transmitter. The automatic, controllerless flight modes let you program Sprite and leave the controllers back at base camp or at home. The airframe is made up of durable connecting sections, making it super easy to change batteries or even payloads on the go, without tools. Sprite comes with a camera mounted on a one-axis stabilized gimbal to take crystal clear video and still images in full high definition. A GoPro module with a two-axis stabilized gimbal is also available and attaches to Sprite in seconds. Because Sprite is modular, you'll be able to easily add new cameras, sensors, network communications hardware, and other accessories as they become available. We've spent more than 2 years perfecting Sprite, and the hard part is behind us. We now need your help to get us over the final hurdle and into production. But to get Sprite out of our backpack and into your hands, we need to know that the world is just as interested in a portable, rugged, and simple-to-use aerial platform as we are. Please support us on Kickstarter. Choose a reward that's best for you and help spread the word among your friends, family, and colleagues. Tell anyone who you think can use an unmanned aerial vehicle as portable, rugged, powerful, and simple to use as Sprite. Please visit our website for more information and details about Sprite and about us. And thanks for your help. The future of Sprite is in your hands.